Wow, a real fire station. It's amazing, isn't it? Look, a firefighter.
Welcome, I'm Captain Morales.
Wow, the truck is so big. Wow, look at that big fire truck.
It sure is impressive, sweetie.
That's our pride and joy. Want to see inside?
Yes, please.
Go on, Charlie.
All right, let's go.
Wow, are you a real firefighter?
I sure am, buddy. And you look like a future firefighter.
I want to be just like you.
You will. Just keep that fire in your heart.
Wow, can I climb inside?
You sure can, champ. Go right ahead.
Be careful, sweetie. I'm climbing. This is so cool. Whoa, look at all these buttons. Wow, this fire truck is so cool. Let's try the horn. That was the best.
Sounds like someone's having fun.
That was awesome.
Station 12, structure fire, 45th and Oak.
That's us. Let's roll.
Whoa, a real fire?
Stay put, Charlie. We'll handle this.
Okay, be safe.
All right, Charlie, we have a call. Watch how it's done.
Wow, be careful, Captain Morales.
Will do. See you soon, kid. We're back, safe.
You're my hero, Captain. We're so proud of you. One day, I'll drive the fire truck.
Ready to head home, Charlie?
Yeah, but I want to be a firefighter just like him.
You will be, Charlie. I know it.
One day.